Inside this modern factory, toothpaste production begins with controlled raw material intake. Sealed containers arrive at the receiving bay carrying approved cleaned animal bone material for mineral processing. Before anything enters production, every container is checked, scanned, and inspected under strict hygiene control.
Batch 45, check the manifest. Confirmed, quantities match. Scan the seals, log any issues. Scan it, all clear.
The cleaned bone material moves onto stainless steel conveyors, where workers inspect each batch for quality. The material then passes through detection and washing systems to remove unwanted particles, residue, and surface impurities. High-pressure water jets clean the bone pieces inside enclosed chambers. After washing, the material enters treatment vessels, where warm, controlled solutions remove remaining fat and organic residue. The treated material is rinsed repeatedly until the surface becomes clean, pale, and stable. Next, the cleaned material enters a high-temperature sterilization chamber. Steam and heat reduce microbial risk and prepare the material for mineral conversion. The sterilized material then moves into a calcination kiln. Inside the kiln, extreme heat transforms the bone material into a pale, mineral-rich substance. What comes out is no longer raw bone. It is a calcium-rich mineral material ready for crushing and refinement. The mineral fragments are loaded into industrial crushers and broken into smaller pieces. These pieces move through grinding mills where they are reduced into coarse powder. The powder then enters fine milling and classification systems. Oversized particles are separated while the fine calcium powder continues forward. In the laboratory, technicians test the powder for particle size, moisture, purity, and consistency. Only approved powder moves into the toothpaste production area.
Ready to transfer the calcium powder.
Confirmed. Let's proceed. Careful through the doorway.
Shelf is clear.
Place it next to the others.
I'll copy that.
Now the toothpaste formula begins. Purified water flows into a large stainless steel vacuum mixer. Humectants are added to help keep the toothpaste smooth and moist. Thickening agents enter the liquid base, forming the first creamy structure. Then the refined calcium powder is added gradually. As it disperses, the mixture thickens into a smooth white paste. The batch mixes under vacuum to remove trapped air and improve texture. Next, active oral care ingredients are measured and added with precision. Flavor oils, sweeteners, and foaming agents are blended into the paste. The mixture is homogenized until it becomes glossy, smooth, and uniform. Samples are collected for quality testing. Technicians check viscosity, pH, abrasiveness, color, and consistency. Once the batch passes inspection, the toothpaste is pumped through sanitary pipelines into holding tanks. The filling line is then prepared. Empty toothpaste tubes move upright through the automated system. Filling nozzles dispense the exact amount of toothpaste into each tube. The filled tubes move forward to the sealing station. Their open ends are heat sealed, coated, and inspected. Check weighers confirm the correct fill level.
Flow is steady. All tubes are filling simultaneously.
Confirmed. Pressure is optimal.
Good. Monitor the next batch.
Will do. Line efficiency is at peak.
Approved tubes continue to the cartoning section. Flat cartons are opened automatically. Each toothpaste tube is inserted into a carton with precise mechanical movement.
The arms are grouping the cartons efficiently. Yes, the rhythm is steady. Let's watch for any jams. Looks good. Keep it going.
The cartons are closed, sealed, and inspected by vision systems. Finished cartons move toward case packing. Robotic arms group the cartons into shipping cases. The cases are sealed, labeled, stacked onto pallets, and wrapped for transport. From the warehouse, the finished toothpaste is moved to delivery trucks. It travels through distribution centers and eventually reaches retail shelves. From cleaned bone material to refined calcium powder, from powder to toothpaste paste, from paste to sealed tube. This is how toothpaste is produced in a modern factory, from raw material to finished product.
All right, first pallet to the truck.
Copy. Moving in.
Steady. A bit more.
Okay, set it down.
Pallets down.
Good. Next, ready when you are.
Let's do the final check, right? I'll start on this side. This stack looks secure, labels are good. Confirmed, all clear here. Okay, let's head out. Keep the flow moving, team. To the sort zone next.